When is the best time to plant a fruit tree? That's a very good question. And if you ask that in a public forum, you might get the answer 10 years ago. But I'm going to try and answer it in a way that'll be more useful to you right now. I'm over at Atmore Farm and Garden right now, and we have all of these trees here. We've been putting in bare root trees, and we've got trees that are in pots. We've got a little plum that's fruiting right here. So we have loaded up on fruit trees at this time of year, and our ornamental trees as well. And that's because the spring is a very good time to plant these trees before they wake up. So when they look like a stick in a pot, or even just a stick in a box like that, they are ready to be planted. So why is planting sticks a good idea? Now look at this, right? This does not look very attractive. People want to buy trees when they've got blooms on them and leaves on them and fruit on them. They see a stick and they're like, is that thing even alive? Well, yes, it's alive, but it's dormant. And for deciduous trees, that is, trees that lose their leaves in the winter, planting them when they're like this means you get a really, really low stress planting. That's because they don't have any leaves, and trees lose moisture out of their leaves. So when you plant a tree that doesn't have any leaves on it yet, it can leaf out in place when it has its roots already in the ground. It'll leaf out in place and it will transplant much easier than if it had leaves all over it, because the leaves are constantly putting moisture up into the air, and it's a lot more taxing on the roots. When you put them in like this, they get a little bit of chance to get established and to wake up and put on the leaves they want to wake up and put on. And they're not just sitting there and suffering because they're losing all of that moisture. You got to irrigate and take really good care of them when you put them in. Otherwise, they don't transplant well at all. They do much better when they're asleep like this. Some trees really don't like having their roots moved around at all. So if you can plant them when they're dormant, they do a lot better. Pawpaws, walnuts, probably pecans, planting them when they are asleep like this, they're just sticks in bags, gives them a lot less stress. You're gonna have a much higher establishment rate than if you were to plant these in a few months when they were all leafed out, and then you're gonna shake these roots up and put it in the ground. It is not gonna like that at all. So the best time to plant a fruit tree is the spring, right? Well, not necessarily. You can plant your fruit trees when they're dormant from the time they go dormant until the spring. Now, it may be a little bit different the further north you go. You might just want to wait until spring to put in dormant trees, let them have their roots grow deeper into the ground, etc. But generally, from the point we've been in Florida to the point we were in Tennessee, it's really great once they start losing their leaves and the leaves are dropped off to transplant and put trees in the ground. And we did it all the way through fall, winter, early spring, before they woke up, if we could work the ground. When we were in Tennessee, the ground would actually freeze sometimes and you couldn't dig, but we didn't really worry about it that much. It didn't get super, super cold. It wasn't like it was gonna roast these trees. And we were planting trees that were adapted to the environment. Anyways, trees that were asleep, adapted to the environment, no leaves on them, very little damage that takes place when you transplant a dormant tree or a bare root tree. So pretty much while the tree is dormant is the best time to plant a tree, but not all the time. I have some citruses right here. Now, citrus are not a deciduous tree, and they're also not particularly cold hardy. This is a kaffir lime, which is not cold hardy really at all. So these trees right here, if I were to say, hey, let's plant them in the fall, the best time to plant a fruit tree is in the fall through the early spring. It's not the case with every tree. If you live in the tropics, the best time to plant a tree is often at the beginning of the rainy season. You're gonna put in your breadfruit, your mangoes, your jabuticaba, etc. with the beginning of the rains. So they're coming out of the dry season, coming into the rainy season. That is their active growth season. They're a little sleepy and a little slow in the dry season, and they're just hanging on and getting by. But if you put them in the ground with the beginning of the rain, then you have great success. You could put all your trees in the ground all over your beautiful volcanic mountainside. Oh, I used to have a beautiful volcanic mountainside, but no longer. And we would put the trees in the ground at the beginning of the rainy season, and they would be happy. With the case of growing something like a citrus, like this Kaffir lime, in this climate, I'm never gonna plant it in the ground. I'm gonna grow it in a pot because it gets too cold for it. But let's say I had something like this Meyer lemon over here, or a Washington navel, and we only get some cold. It's not terribly cold. It's not gonna kill it. It's not killing frosts, but it's frost that it can tolerate. I still prefer to put them in at the beginning of spring when it is not gonna freeze hard again. With my citruses, I wanna put them in probably within the next month or so, water them in, take good care of them, because I don't wanna have to keep them, man, that cutlass. Oh yeah. I just don't wanna have to put much work into them. And if I plant them in the fall, like some people like to do, this is going to get roasted by the cold. We've got temperatures down into the teens, temperatures down into the 20s. We don't really want to have to deal with that with citrus. If I can put them in the spring after the cold, let them get that time until the next fall to grow up and get their roots settled. I'm still gonna have to protect them for the first few years anyways. But for citrus, in a climate where you do get cold, I would plant them in the spring after the last cold. Little citrus do not like the cold very much at all. So the first best answer is plant your tree 10 years ago. That's great. The second best is, okay, if it's a deciduous tree, put it in from the fall until the spring while it's dormant. If you're dealing with a tropical environment, plant them before the rainy season. If you're dealing with citruses in a climate that has some freezes, plant them after all the freezes so they don't get tore up. That it just doesn't make any sense. Just give them a little bit of a break. But after all that, is there really a wrong time to plant fruit trees? Well, yes, probably. If it's really dry, if it's really hot, the tree is in full leaf, full fruit, very happy in its pot, and you transplant it, that's not a good time. But if that's the only time that you can transplant, just go ahead and transplant, because it's good to have fruit trees in the ground. If you have to transplant because you're moving or because you have to get something in the ground at a certain time of year, water it well, mulch it well, take good care of it, keep it watered and watered and watered, and even if you have to strip some of the leaves off or prune it back a little bit when you put it out to keep it from having so much leaf mass, go ahead and do that. We do that when we start cuttings all the time. Thanks for watching. I hope that gives you a little bit of help on when to plant fruit trees. It's really the season for a lot of things like pears and apples and figs, chestnuts, pecans, etc. right now, and we're moving a lot of fruit trees out of here, and I want people to have success with the trees that they plant wherever you are. I hope that you have lots of success with your fruit trees. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.